Hello everyone, my name is Reedy. I'm gonna do another tutorial for you guys. This one is a big tutorial. It's about how to set up MW2 and how to record MW2. Alright, so the first thing we need is the game itself. I would recommend you to use the Steam version. The next things we need are Lucky's mod, that's the COD movie making launcher, the React gaming client, then we need Reshade, and then we need the MW2 cinematic mod from Civil. He renamed himself, just check his channel out. I will put all the links where you can download the files in the description, but I will also upload them myself. Sometimes it happens that the link will go down or is not available anymore, so I will upload it myself on Mega, so you can just download it from there. If you downloaded everything, that's what I already did, you can drag it on your desktop. That's the React gaming client. I will upload it myself. It's an older version. I have the link from the React gaming site as well. I will put it in the description. It takes a while to load the site. There is also a newer version. Never tried the newer version. I will still upload this one, and the instruction itself is also on the page. I will also put the link in the description. I have also my configs here. There are all my settings in there, mines and all the stuff. This is my movie making config I use for all CODs. And yeah, so let's start. We need the game. The first thing you do is go into your Steam folder, and then you just go into the MW2 folder and copy all the files from there into a separate folder. I don't care where your folder is, it doesn't matter actually. I have it on a complete separate HDD. It's right there. I made a separate folder. This is my old one, or the one I use right now for recording MW2, and this is the one I created. I already copied the files in there, and now we delete, or you can check the instruction out in the description from the React gaming site, or just do it what I do. You delete all the files except the main, miles, zone, Bing, MSS32 and the localization file. Everything else you just delete. So I'm gonna do that right now. Yeah, hold up. This one and that. The rest you can just delete. Alright, these are the files you need. And now you open the React gaming zip file you downloaded and copy everything in there, and then replace everything and so on. And now we have almost everything done. What you can do now is create a mods folder for Civil's mod. You can drag in there. And then you can also put your Reshade setup in there and install Reshade. We're gonna pick the game we want it to be installed from. This is the exe file here. Just drag it, check the right one, and download all the effects. This will take a while. I will skip everything. Alright, if you have everything downloaded, you can also put your Reshade settings. If you already have on another game Reshade installed, you can drag them in there, and now you can start the game. After you started the game, I would recommend you to close it if you have configs you want to use. Okay, after you close the game, your folder should look like that, and the players folder should appear. Now you open it and drag all the configs you have in there, replace everything, and then you can start the game again. If I start the game should be in window mode. Right? So now we're in game. You already see Reshade, everything worked so far. Now we're gonna do the tutorial. Yeah, continue. Okay, now it will say edit preprocessor definitions. You open it and set the middle one where it stands Reshade. Def input is reversed to 0, so it will load Reshade again really quick, and then you can choose your settings. I'm gonna choose mine. Alright, after it loaded everything up, you can finish it, and yeah, that's basically it. Now you can go to settings and do your overlay key and the toggle key shift 2. So now I can just open and close it and enable and disable it with shift 2. One thing you also need to take in mind: disable anti-aliasing, also really important. Reshade should reload again. One thing we can do now is first of all enable our stats. Type in unlock stats. Right, and then you're level 70, and to make your or create your own classes. I will just do this real quick. And yeah, so we have our class, and now we want to launch the mod. There are different ways to fake clips. You can do it with friends as well, but that's a little bit complicated. You can create custom games with bots. There are also bot mods on the internet. You can just search on Google MW2 bot mod. I can also put one in the description if you guys want it. And there's also this way I'm gonna show you, the one with Civil's mod. After you launch the mod, you can now start faking your frags. For that, you can just press the first tab, choose map, and pick the map you want to fake the frag on. Or you can just open the console and type in def map and then the map name. But that's easier, you just pick the map. You can also pick some DLCs. If I won't forget to put the link in there, just remind me, and T4C management is going to adjust it. So now we are just gonna pick a map, for example terminal, It will take a while till it loads, and you can already see my Reshade is loaded. Alright, now we are in game and now we have to choose our team. For that, always remember in which team you are. Now I'm just gonna pick the allied team and pick my class. Now you can start faking your frags. I'm just gonna pick a good position or like a good spot where I want to fake the frag. Let's say here. I want to kill some bot here from up there with a simple jump shot. And now we need the comments for the mod. I'll put a readme in the description, this one. It has all the comments you need with a small description on it. Big shout out to SASS for doing this for us. I'll put his Twitter and his YouTube channel as well in the description. And yeah, these are the most important comments you need. I will just put them on my second monitor. Now we want to spawn a bot. For that, I'm just gonna open the console and type in movie making bot spawn, and then the weapon. I'm just gonna pick, like, for example, MP5, and then the enemy team. Axis, because we want an Axis bot. Now the bot is spawned. You can see he's standing right there inside the models or the props. Now you can port him. You can bind it like I did it, or just use the command movie making bot setup and then the name of the bot. You can also just type in Momo instead of the whole name. Now he's standing right here, and now I want to kill him. For that, I'm just gonna go up there. Now I want to let the bot aim at me. You can just use the next comments in the readme. It's just aim and then the name. Okay, now I want to enable explosive bullets. If I shoot close to the bot, he will die, because I have explosive bullets now. And you can see there's the model now laying on the ground. To fix that, so the model is not there anymore, the bot will respawn in like a few seconds. And if you want to get rid of the model, you can just clone yourself with X. Like I would say 7 or 8 would be enough to get rid of the model on the floor. And now we want to kill the bot. I'm just gonna do a simple clip. I want to record the demo. I'm just gonna type in stop record, because there's always automatic demo recording in the background. And now I need to type in record and the name of the demo. I'm just gonna use tutorial. Now it's recording a tutorial demo. And now I'm just gonna kill the bot. You can also just go down with the timescale and make a slow motion like 0.5 or 0.4 like you want to. I'm just not gonna do that, it's just for tutorial. I'm just gonna kill the guy now. He died. Now I have a clip. After I finished, I'm just gonna type in stop record. And now I can just disconnect from the game. And if I open the demo list, my demo should appear now. And now you can launch the Lucky's mod for that and start it. Now the mod successfully loaded, and now you can record the demo. Once you launch the mod, you can't record another frag anymore. You need to restart the game for that. We want to play the demo. You can just type in demo and then the name, or you can just open the demo list. I'm just gonna use the console for that because of the name, and now I'm just gonna play it. Alright, now we're in game. You can see the tick rate is just going up and up and up. To fix that, you just pause it. Now you just press the left arrow key on your keyboard. It will reload or refresh the tick rate, and now you can just play the demo normally. It will just run correctly now. Now I want to enable Reshade. Just press your toggle key. I won't do the tutorial with Reshade on. It will use a lot of performance, and I'm recording, so now I want to record the point of view first of all. For that, I'm just gonna execute my config. There are different commands like cg draw 2D to disable the HUD, but you also disable the +10 if you want to keep it on, and only want the +10, you can just go G_hardcore1, so you only have the +10, +20 and so on. I don't need that, I have my own config for that. And now I want to start recording the point of view. I'm just gonna go down with the timescale, and now I'm just gonna let it play, and now you can record it. With my config I have different commands. You can record it now with Reshade on and fraps or shadow play, like I'm recording this tutorial right now. I have it in window mode, that's why I'm using other commands for that. I'm using CLRV demo, and then the FPS I record, it's usually 600. If you press CLRV demo, it starts recording. I have binds for that, so F9 is to start the recording, F10 is to stop the recording. And I also have the commands from Lucky's mod, movie making streams, if you want to record green screen and depth layer. Also bind it on F11 and F12. You can decide how you want to record by yourself. I'm doing it with the commands, and that's why I'm gonna show you it with the commands. Not gonna record the point of view, I want to show you how to record a cinematic. If you want to record the point of view, just let it play. I'm just gonna do a cinematic now. For that, I'm pressing F2, so I have my free cam. You can move around even though it's paused, doesn't matter. Now I'm just want to record this guy like a cinematic when he dies. You can see me running right now, and this guy should die right now. I'm just go a little bit further. Okay, now he dies here somewhere. I'm just gonna stop it right there. I'm jumping right now. I'm just gonna use a proper FOV. I have it also binded. Okay, now I can see the guy is going to die, and now I want to record a death cinematic. I already told you what keys you need to use. So I'm just gonna create a cam path now. One here. Let's say one here, and then here, and then he goes away. Now I'm just gonna play it with J. Sometimes it can be like your model is standing like that, so the model didn't load properly. Just press J multiple times until it works. Like that. This is the right position I want to. And now I'm just gonna press space and directly press F9 afterward. So it starts recording some TGA files. Now it's recording, it lags, I know, but the TGA files are not laggy, don't worry about that. Alright, after you finished recording your cinematic, you can just go into your MW2 folder and open data and AVI demo. That's what I already did. And you can see there are a lot of TGA files. These are the files you can render with VDUP. Open VDUP and just open the folder, put the first one, and there's your cinematic. You can just render it, and then you have your first clip. After you rendered it, you just delete all the files, and then you can just close MW2. That's what I did, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope I could help you out, guys. If you have any questions, just write them down below under my comment. I will write a comment below this video. Just write them down. I will try to answer everything. Try to update the description as much as I can if I get any requests from you guys. And yeah, I hope I could help you out. Edit MW2, that's what I want you to do. That's why I did this tutorial, so you can record MW2. And yeah, if you want to get some more tutorials about specifically faking frags, just write them down. And yeah, I'm out. Subscribe to the T3C channel, and yeah, peace.